welcome back to my channel, Kandiperlerfairy. As you know, over the weekend I've been so busy like putting my class together for the Cinnamon 3D Perler and also doing a live video on YouTube to show you guys how it was built. Had so much fun, but I didn't get time to actually finish my tutorial. But I was actually building a lot of 3D Perlers. They're just in line for me to put them in the tutorial. So this is the new collection that I made from the Pokemon Quest. As you can see, they look like blocks. So I was told that they were like kind of like Minecraft, so they're like kind of like block shape. So they're super cute. I was like having a lot of like headache, like putting complicated 3D Perlers together. So sometimes I take a break from like making like the huge one, and then I come in to make like the smaller one, the easier one. But I really enjoy making these because they look so cute. When I saw like the actual figure of the Pikachu Pokemon Quest, I was like, oh my god, I have to make this one. So I found this pattern like on Pinterest long time ago, but I really didn't look into it. But just lately somehow I was like, oh, I have to make them. So I started with Pikachu, and then I started with Bulbasaur, and then I move on to Charmander. This one actually modify it. The original pattern is like laying down, but I was like, I like him standing up. And then this is Lapras, right? It's like a swimming pool. So super cute. So today I'm gonna show you how to build this Pikachu. It's super easy to build and you're gonna love it. So before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button and the bell. So you're gonna get notification when I post all these tutorials to build this collection. And also, if you enjoy my video, please hit the like button and share with your friends and family. So it's gonna help my account grow, and then they can also see my video and build their favorite characters. Alright, so let's jump into this. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, so let's get started. These are all the pieces that we will need, so I'll just lay them all here so we can just build it at once. It won't take long, so just have fun. So this is the bottom piece, right? So let's add the legs first so that we'll have this whole piece completely set. Okay, so insert these four this way, and then turn to the back. We're gonna add those legs or feet, however you like to call it. So this is gonna be a super fun and easy tutorial. Okay, so just like so, and now we're gonna build the cube. Okay, so let's build the side pieces first. This one goes this way, and then this one goes this way. Okay, oops, let's close the front so we can secure the pieces just like so. And then this piece is gonna go to the back, so maybe let's insert this one first because this is gonna be for the tail, so it goes in this way. So you see it doesn't slide out, right? Actually, I like the other side better. So like this, and then we're gonna close it to the back. Did it work? Okay, so this way. Yep. Alright, so this we're gonna close to the top. So you can see the holes are here, they're for the ears, right? Yep, we got it. And then let's just add the ears. One on this way, and then one goes the other way. Yay! And then adding the tail, pop onto this, and then we got the Pikachu character from Pokemon Quest. Alright, so if you make one, tag me and want to see how yours looks like. Oops, just fell out. And then also stay tuned for more of the other characters. Alright, so I'll see you next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!